All right, so nice break to the upside. I had nothing before. All right, but I have reasons to believe that it's gonna continue going all the way uh, to 606. All right, so that's O two, right? So so oh my gosh, so should I go long right here when you call it at 600? Well, you know, that's the darnest thing because we all know that the smart money can easily take it back all the way to 95, 98, and find some support, right? But but direction is up, so it's for real, and it'll continue going to 606. All right, that's all I have. All righty, that's it. That's all I have. Okay, which is so we knew 600, and it's not that it's not much. It's good, right? So we know a couple of things that are really important. This move, we all know how dangerous these type of spikes are, right? Because price spikes, chasers go long, and then as soon as they get in, then there's a recoil, right? And they lose it in a couple of seconds, right? So so the break of '06, 12%, yeah, it's um, it's real, right? Right. We had to wait until the we had to wait until the gunpowder showed up, right? We had to, okay, because we saw this thing going up all the way from 85. That's beautiful, right? But with with no backing. So we need to we need to be able to understand that here in Presatico we we look to be in the trend at the beginning, and the beginning is 85. It's not 600 right here or 95 where it opened, right? So this is one of those days that is extremely difficult um, to take a shot. All right. Okay. So all right. So far so good, right? All right. So we have this. We have this range 95, oh 03, 8 point range, right? So anybody who went long 0600, right, expecting the price to go to oh 06, it only went to oh 03, right? That's usually what happens when we are late. Price comes right back to 600, and we know the low is 95. We know that, and okay, hold on a second. Y yo te estoy moviendo esto eres tú. Ah, no, all right. Oh, okay, okay. Right. So alrighty. No, chica. Okay. All right. Okay. So we have to be right, extremely uh, careful. Not that we're not always extremely careful, right? But from yes, I understand 600 is that shot long 600 that we took. It's I know it's as aggressive as it gets, But we know that the up move, this upwards move, it's real, and he wants to go to '06, right? So so yes, I understand. Don't get me wrong. I know exactly, what's going on, right? It's as aggressive as it gets, right? We decided to wait for the open, and then the open look 95 all the way to 4 points in 1 microsecond, right? And then Prisatico analyzed the up move and decided that yeah, it's real at 99, right? Yeah, it'll continue going to '06. All right, so that's the time to pull the trigger long, right? And expect the price to continue going to '06, right? So '05, '06. And we all know that, that we all know that this thing can easily drop all the way back to 95, right? So we're on the lookout for it, all right? So, okay, so we have a classical, right, pivot low right there at 99. And our job is to ride it to 606. That's '05. Stop break even. And so we have so we have 5 points right now. And as long as the price doesn't drop, nasty drop all the way to the to this pivot low 99, then we are counting and expecting the 606. And then what's going to happen after that? That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm expecting the price not to clean break '06. Okay? And we all know that we can lock in profits, a point, give or take a couple of points above, a couple of points below. Price just went to '05. Since we were in so late at 99,600, then let's grow some coconuts, right? And let it ride to '06. That's number one. And number two, boom, is that '06 mistake? It is. Okay. All right, and look how '06 stopped it. All right. I've got a JC Bull. Okay, so all right, so I gotta tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's only a 7 points from our 99 long, 99 to '06. That's +7. And how can this be target one? It is target one because it began long time ago. It began at 85. It's just that we didn't have confirmation. We got confirmation at the open, right? So yes, this is target one. So we have to lock here '06 and consider the counter trend. All right? Okay. Oh, so this is what you should be thinking about right now. We had nothing all the way from 9 to 9:30, all that upwards move, no confirmation, no confirmation. We had no idea it was going to continue going up because it was the chop of the year. All right, so there's nothing we can do. We couldn't go long before, right, when the price was right there at 88. We got confirmation, and we knew that the spike was real, and it has enough strength to continue going all the way to 606, and boom, look at it, right? Okay, and we have to take a counter trend, even though right, even though the main play is it's long, right? Even though the main play is long, then we have to take a counter trend that 606. All right, look at that. +2 on the short 06. That's not bad. All right. But listen, this move up, it's real. And, and, and we all know that when it's real, pretty soon I'm waiting for target two. I don't know what target two is yet, but I'm looking for it, right? Okay. Target two to the upside. All right. Don't know yet. In the meantime, right, we're going to, in the meantime, we are going to uh, manage this counter trend short 06. All right, gave us 2 points. Oh my God, it's coming back. Chances are we're gonna have to. We never let a winner turn into a loser, right? If he takes it, we're gonna have um, to get out of the counter trend, and that's the way it's supposed to be. All right. So main play long, the open break. Yes, I know we were late, but we had no choice. Alrighty, we had no choice. We had to. Okay, we had no choice because we didn't know we didn't know that the open was gonna be to the upside. Okay, good. So the counter trend short 06 is working. Nice, right? Okay. It tried to take it. It couldn't. Right? Smart money tried to take our short 06. They couldn't. Right? 03, that's plus 3 on the counter, and 7 on the main play long 99. Right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. That's pretty good, right? The razor, the the counter trend short 06, razor sharp entry, 2 ticks of hit. I wouldn't call that hit at all, right? You need at least 1 tick to be able to get in, right? Is that what? 01? Okay, pretty good. All right, we all know that 600, it's a psychological level, right? That's easy, it's right there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I have two more resistances. Okay, 10. All right, so the high is 07. All right, target 2 is 10. And, right, target 2 is 10, right? And we're going to leave it at that for now. All righty, because we are now managing the counter trend short 06, all right? So let's see. But I just want you all to know that clean break of the high, it'll continue going to 10. All righty? Okay. All right. In the meantime, we'll continue managing the counter trend short 06. All right. That's 01 half. So that's 5 points on the counter trend. Okay. So we're going to be on this chart for a while. Okay. Look at that. 01. Right. 01. Right. You have a long 01 right there, right, Mystique? 01 yes. JC. Bullish JC. Okay. Look, price goes to 01 quarter.
I have a gold digger bull and I have an Adam and Eve bull.
All right.
So I've got, conflicting action.
Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, it's called chop. It's called extreme chop. All righty. So, summary. We went long, 99. We knew that it had the up move, had enough strength to continue going to 06. We made 06 target 1. I already explained to you why, right? Even though we started at 99 600, it began at 85 already, right? It's just that we were late. But if we know the price is gonna go 6 point up, sure we're late. We are aggressive, but not careless, right? And so we all knew that going long that 99,600 was as aggressive as it gets because we're getting in the middle, right, from 85 to oh 06. But if we know that there is enough strength to take the price all the way to oh 06, then of course we gotta take it, right? It goes to oh 06 half, and we know that when we made oh 06 a target, that's an automatic counter trend. Boom, plus 6 also. So we made 7 points on the way up, 6 points on the way down. Gentlemen, right now the bears are in control of this short-term move. Okay, the bears are in control of this short-term move. All right, we still need to take oh 01, right? This oh 01 right here. That's where you have your bullish JC, right, Mystique? Oh 01? Yes. Okay. So we still need to take this oh 01 for this counter trend short oh 06 to be, it's already a razor sharp, right? Yes. It goes to oh 06, couple of ticks, pick us up. We have plenty of time and room. Tengo que pronunciar la M. To get in. So we have a razor sharp and we have a spot, right? Look at that. Swift, nice, swift action to the downside. Then smart money tried to take the shorts of the weak bears. They cannot take the new high. They cannot take our oh 06. And it has to come back right down. All right? All right. So the first support, ladies and gentlemen, is oh 06. Oh 06 is 601. That's the first support, right? Okay. But this support right here is not as strong. So this bullish JC 01 is a bullish JC. It's not as strong as our bearish signal hangover, right? We are right now in a hangover. Price takes a 1, and then this trade becomes a threesome. Razor sharp entry, SPA, and FAB. Alrighty, right now it's a razor sharp entry and a FAB. Bull, exactly, because we're gonna be in this chop 600 oh 07. Right? Isn't that what I said like 10 minutes ago, maybe 8 minutes ago? Yes, you did. Be prepared to have the price chop liver 600 oh 07. All right. Break of the high. Where is it going? 10. Here it is. Right. Okay. So right now. Right. So right now we are in management. Right. Management. Long. The long play has not been invalidated. The price haven't even gotten to 99. Right. Price would have to destroy 99 for the main. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the main play, if you don't like to counter trend and you just missed this nice 5 points, it's okay. You are on a main play, long 99, target 106. You log 7 points right here, and your job is to let it ride all the way to 10, target 2. All righty, okay. But CTC, right? We're not gonna miss this opportunity. These 5 points that we just made, we're not gonna miss it if we know overwhelmingly that the odds are that the price is going to recoil off of our target 1. Of course, we're gonna take it, right? It's a counter trend. That doesn't mean that the main play is not still long. In other words, this pullback right here from '06 to '01 is that it's a pullback in an uptrend in a confirmed main play long to target 606 and next 610. No guaranteed rise.
Nope.
Okay. But what are the odds that we're gonna chart, right? Didn't I say 01, 07, 7? We're gonna leap up and down. 7,
We did.
01, 01, 7. We need to let the market reveal itself. It hasn't revealed itself. This is all trade what we see. That's all we're doing. We had no choice but to trade what we see. When we trade what we see, we're late, right? Because we get in when everybody knows. We're not the only ones that knew that the break to the upside was real, right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a strong support, key level actually, '04. Okay, this '04 right here, right? This '04 right here. As long as the price is above '04, we are comfortably holding to 610. '04. Okay, the less the price hangs around '04, touch it, dance around it, above, below, the better. The more comfortable we are on our way to 610, and there is a possibility that this target to 010 is dynamic. Okay. Hey, what does that mean? Uh, is there is a good chance that we're gonna change it. All right, but we have to have it for now. We have to have it there. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is our next channel is 0410. 410. And we all know that we can easily have another pullback because remember, it's not enough to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. And I told you 10 minutes ago, lip up and down 600, oh 07, oh 07, 600, oh 07, 600, right? But, okay, but we are always cautious and asking ourselves, what if, right? Yeah, sure. We're comfortable because the price is above '04 and we are expecting to continue to 10. Terrific. What if? If it goes the other way? Well, there are two ways, right? It can either drop, nasty drop for the bulls, or it'll do what I said it was gonna do. Up and down, leap up and down, leap up and down, up and down. Right? 7, 600, 607, 600, 607, 600, right? But boom. Okay, but look how far we are from '04. What do you think happened? Isn't that beautiful, Mystique? Look at that gorgeous move, right? Okay. All right. So you just learned something extremely important right now. All right. We knew the importance of '04, and we knew that as long as the price hangs around above it, then increase the odds that the price is gonna go to 10. And look at what happened. Oh my God! Look at it. It's called chop, my friends. '04 is still there, and this is a tough. Oh my God! Look at that lady. Oh my God! All right, main play still long. All right. So, what is one of the main conditions that that we look for in the market? Market mood, right? What mood is the market today? All right. We have to see every single tick, every single minute, every single second, every single bar, every single candle, every single tick, right? To determine what mood is the market on. All right. So we all saw it together how it went from 5 to 8, 3 points in 3 seconds, and then 4 points in 4 microseconds. Right. The market is beginning to be in a nasty mood. Okay? So what does that tell you? That tells you that you have the finger on the trigger and you will not let two things. Number one, you're not going to let the market shake you out, and you're not going to let yourself be undisciplined. All right? And that's why we have all of these levels of support and resistance and how strong they are. Right? Look at Mystique. Look at it. Look at that nasty drop from OA to
Oh, four.
4 quarter. It couldn't touch our O4. So what do? Well, you have a little bit more. You're counting on O4. You have a little bit more confidence on that O4 holding, right?
Right.
Why do you think the price dropped from OA to O4 to take all the scare money stops? We, on the other hand, we know the strengths of O4, right? And as long as the price above O4 is going to a dynamic target 2610, which I'm looking to see if it's going to change. All right. It's very important that we know if O2 is going to be target 2 or not, because if it's target 2, then we're gonna short it, right?
Yeah.
So we need to know before it gets there, and I'm waiting to see. All right. So right now we are in an uptrend, and let's see what else and how long this is going to continue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All righty. So listen to this. Here it is. Alrighty. You know what the next resistance is? Okay. Write it down and draw it in your charts. All right, because the next resistance, my friends, is 19. It's 19. Okay. So that's not gonna be a dynamic. That's gonna be 19. It's gonna be target 3. Hardly ever we have a target 3, and we haven't even reached target 2, right? So this this area right here from 10 to 19. Yes, this area right here from 10 to 19, ladies and gentlemen, be prepared for a be prepared for a okay, for a wild west action. Okay, baby, come on, right? A half. So what are we gonna do at 10? Right? What are we gonna do at 10? Well, let's see how it gets there. It's still dynamic until I don't tell you that target 2 is official. We treat it as whatever I said last. We all know that. So in other words, I'm, I'm not counting on the price going to 219 anytime soon. That's not what I'm saying. I just want you to put it there. All right. All right. So 19 actually is a predetermined pivot. All right. Resistance. 19 is a predetermined pivot resistance. Okay. That could eventually be target 3. All right. So let me make sure that I explain that. All right. What I'm looking at right now. It's a price. Tengo que ver otra vez.
Plummeting.
All right. It's the price plummeting. All right. That's all I'm looking at. All right. So we are in an uptrend, right? Okay, and the uptrend is just about to. 604. All right. So watch 604, and of course our 06. Right. That stays there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So price goes to 8.5. Right. It goes to 8.5. And what did I say 2 seconds ago? Mistake. I was looking for the price plummeting, right?
Correct.
Look at that. Would you consider this drop from 9 to 03, these 6 points, the price plummeting?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so smart money is taking the stops of every single bull right there. Okay, for us, we have 04, right? We have 04 as support. Price took our 04, right? Didn't it? It plummeted. It plummeted, right? All the way to 04. Remember what I told you. Okay. Don't you care one bit if you have to get in and out. Don't worry at all whatsoever about paying commission. It's part of the business, and on a day like today, we really want to make sure that that we don't let the smart money put us in the red after all we've done, which has been really tough. Number one. Number two, remember I told you about the market mood? Didn't I say the market mood was the market is in a nasty mood about 10, 15 minutes ago, Mystic? Did I say or not?
You did.
All right, that's what I mean. All right, nasty mood. Okay, day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Make sure that you are green, you stay green. Do not hesitate on getting out. We're not gonna buy a Lamborghini today, not yet, because the market hasn't revealed itself. The market revealed its mood, but that's it. It hasn't revealed its real intentions completely yet. All right. Okay, so the uptrend is still valid. Price just took 04. Momentum took our 04 and took the price all the way to 03. 1 point, right? Look at that, 275. All right, and what? All right. So why do you think there was a bounce off of 03? It's because 04 is not 03. 03 has nothing to do. Price goes to 03 because the momentum took it there. But the real support, my friend, is 04. Look at it. All right. So Goldman heard me when I told you, as long as the price above 04, we're good. And then they took it to 04. They saw our orders right there at 04 and say, okay, let's go ahead and take all those stops right there at 04. Bam, boom, bing. Took it, bounced, and look where it's going. Look at it. All right? Okay, so very few people in the world know the importance of 04. Right? We know it. We know it very well. Look at it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we are in an uptrend that the smart money knows everybody's looking at, the same that we are looking at. They took the stops of those that don't know the importance of 04, right? Took every single stop, took them all the way from 9 to 03, right? These 6 points tumble.
Yeah, plummet.
Tingle, tumble, your plummet, los tengo ahí.
You like both.
All righty then. All right. So we have, right? And but we're not gonna let the smart money jive us, right?
Nope.
Okay. Main play has not been invalidated. We have 10. It's in our aim. We know the importance of 04, right?
Correct.
If you had a stop right there, as soon as you saw the bounce, what did I say 5 minutes ago? If you have to get out and get in. Get out and get in. Stay long, and let's ride this baby all the way to 10, which might change to which might change, and we are after 19. Okay, I'm not gonna put it back here on the chart. All right, it's in your chart everywhere. All right, because there is a lot of bread to butter between 10 and 19. Okay, so hang in there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, so hang in there, my friends. Hang in there. Right. If we manage, to continue trading this price action today the way we've done it, believe you me, you have to pat yourself in the back, and believe me, you are a real pro. Okay. All right. Trading this type of action is going to the market is going to test your skills. It's going to test, most of all, first and foremost, your skills. What does that mean? Knowing exactly what's the market not only doing, but what it's going to do. Knowing if this is an uptrend, knowing if that plummet thing, it's a pullback or a reversal, or is it a retracement, right? Knowing the strength of 04. 04 is our best friend. I told you, right? Remember, okay? And then you have it right there, you're looking at it, and then we have an uptrend like everybody else. And the reason we have this uptrend right here is because I want to know what everybody else is doing. I couldn't care less about that uptrend. All right, but I just need to know what the ordinary retail traders doing. Okay, I need to know that, because if I know what they're doing, then I know what the smart money is gonna do to destroy them. Does that make sense? All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, market is out of balance, and we are going to have another very important key level. All right, we're gonna have another key level pretty soon. We don't have it yet, and that key level, my friends, is gonna definitely. I don't know which one is it yet, but I know it's coming. Remember yesterday I told you, hey, you know what? It's not confirmed, but I have a feeling we're gonna go out of balance. And then what? 10 minutes later, boom, out of balance. It gave us a terrific key level, and from that key level, we just banged the hell out of our position, and we had a terrific, amazing day yesterday, right? Okay, look at it. All right, let's continue watching this action. All right, let's see where the look at that 06. Right, look at that 08, 06 to ours. We all know that our 06 initially being resistance, right? And that's why we counter trended short 06. Price took it, trading 101, support become resistance, resistance become support. Look at what just happened. Look at that. Look at that drop to 06 to the tick. Did not take it, and continue bouncing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So listen, I am all over looking for a level between 10 and 19, so that we don't get out 19, so that we don't lock 19. Number one. And number two, so that we don't counter trend short 19. We have to be really careful with that. 19, 10, 46, 10. Okay, 46, 10. The dynamic target too, 46, 10. Okay. I'm looking everywhere to see if the price is gonna take it. We know that that the next resistance is 19, from 10 to 19. That's 9 points, right? So we have to. This thing is gonna be a pain in the butt. All right. So let me continue looking everywhere, so that I figure out what is the price going to do when it reaches 10. All right. And that's how day trading is done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember, right? Remember the remember the action, leaping up and down. It takes it, comes right back down. We have our levels of support or resistance of this channel, right? We are now on the 600 610 channel, 10 points. Are you kidding me? 10 points channel. All right. Okay. All righty then. So this right here, it's a range. Okay. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, give me 1 second right here. Boom, bam, bing. Okay. The 10, 10, we're not going to counter trend sure because as long as the price continue going up, it's going to continue going all the way to 13, 613. All right. As long as there is no clean break of, all right. I'm still waiting to see which this the key level that is going to divide the out of balance, right? Out of balance, upside down, downside up. That's back to 04. I told you we are out of balance. All right. So we're gonna get a new. We are going to get a new level. The new level that we're gonna get is going to substitute 04. I'm still waiting for Goldman to call me and tell me which one it's gonna be. So which one is gonna be, and of course, um, below that level, then chances are that the uptrend is gonna be invalidated, and the bears are gonna take control of the longer term move. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so that is where we are at right now. Okay, look at that. Price goes back to the all O2. It's a double bottom. A couple of retail traders, they don't care. They go long no matter what. And that's why we are watching and seeing this bounce right here. Okay, but we know that the market just went out of balance, right? A couple of minutes ago. And we're waiting to see which is the key level that is going to make it official. Right? Look at it. Look at this. Look at this erratic, choppy. Look. The price taking the former low. You know that new traders they go left. They see the pivot low, and that's where they put the stuff. The obvious place. Goldman knows that, and they just go ahead, boom, takes them completely, destroys them, take all their money, take them out of business, destroy their account, and then it continue on its way. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we don't have the new level yet, but we can see that the price is below 04, right? So it takes 04, dance around it a little bit, and then it takes it, right? We don't have the new level yet, but the price, where is the price? Above or below 04? It's below 04, isn't it? Okay. All right, 600 is both um, um, psychological level, regular, conventional, technical analysis level, and a prosadical level. 600. All right. Okay, so 04. Okay, now listen, this is extremely interesting. 04, right? So long as the price now is above 600, the main play long, believe it or not, is still bullish. Alrighty, all right. Okay, so we still have our 10 and 13 there waiting for us. All right. So this is pretty good that Prisatico said 600, and everybody knows 600 is a psychological level support, right? It's pretty good because now we have a little, we have a confluence of of uh, of of indicators, right? Right. My indicator says that 600 it's support, right? And it happens to be a a conventional technical analysis also. All right. So as long as and I've been telling you, hey, listen, oh 04 is gonna be taken. It's gonna be taken. Market went out of balance. It's gonna keep. I'm waiting to see which level it's gonna be. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Bam. Right. Market never took our 99. Right. Remember the 99 initial entry low. Price only went to 600 quarter. All right. So 99 needs to be destroyed for us not to want to remain long, expecting the price to go test the high. It's gonna make it a triple top, break it, which is only oh 08, right? That's gonna be easy, right? If the price is gonna continue going up like we think it is, then that's not gonna be a big deal because it's only 2 points below our 610. Alrighty, clean break of 600, right? 699, 1 point right there. That is going to be no man's land. We'll probably be done by then. Then we have to do a new assessment to see if the taking of 600 is only stop fishing. Alrighty? Okay. Okay, so listen to me. Alrighty? Our job, until further notice, is to be main play long. Okay, the odds are pretty good. We all know it can change any second, right? Right. But the odds are pretty good that that we are going to be in an uptrend. As long as as long as the price is above 600, I want you to have confidence that 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 the market is gonna go it's gonna go up, test the high of day oh 08, break it, test 10, break it, and continue to 13. I might have new levels, you know, anytime, but that's what we have right now. So what's direction? King. I'm telling you. Alrighty? This right? This pullback from oh 08 all the way to 600, right? In my humble opinion, is a pullback in an uptrend, and it's a nasty pullback for the weak bulls. This is the smart money uh, tricking the retail traders that they're all long, right? So they want them to not know that later on they're going to 10 and 13 and maybe even more. We all know that this forecast that I'm giving you right now can change in the next 2 minutes. We know that. Until I don't tell you, you make sure that you buy support and ride it all the way to 10, 13, and maybe even more. It depends on what time it's going to happen. Alrighty? Okay. Clean break of 600. That's it. We're done for the day. That's all there is to it. All right. So what if, let's say that the price takes 600, right? All right. So clean break of 600. Where is the price gonna go? Well, I'm gonna tell you. It's gonna go to a range of 93, 96. All right, 93, 96. That's That's where it'll go on the first leg. Here it is, 96 and G. This one right here, 93. That's where that's where so this is the what if. Clean break of 600, then no man's land, this area right here, 99, 600, 600, 1 point of no man's land, right? But if it breaks it, then we're gonna be below oh 04, which is still important, but it's not oh 04 is not as important as oh 06 anymore, right? It is important, of course, but it's not as important anymore as it is 600. Okay, clean break of this double whammy right here, 600, double whammy. Okay, shenanigans, 99, 600, 699, and then an eventual break and a continuation to 96, 93. The longer the price above our double whammy support 600, I am expecting a triple top break and a continuation. Righty? There you go. Boom. All right. So right now we are below the uptrend that everybody has, right? Bull crap. All right. That's just the smart money taking the faith and taking the minds of the weak. That's all. All right. So, alrighty. We'll see. The blind man said. So what I just told you, this setup, I've seen it, I don't know, a million times. All right. So that being said, the move up, however, that's not gonna be a swift, nice, cozy ride. That it will not. Okay. Okay. This action is gonna take the best of all of us put together. It's gonna take it. The action that we're gonna see from now on. What time it is right now? 10:53. Where is the price right now? 605. Okay. All right. This action that I just described to you is gonna take the best of all of us. Taking this high OA, are you kidding me? That's not gonna happen easily. All right. I kid you not. That's not gonna happen. All right. There are so many. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Okay. Look at it. 2 seconds after I told you, this high, my friend, is not gonna be taken easily. Look at that. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Look at it. Alrighty. Okay. Boom. 600. Where did it go? Is that 96? Right? Aren't we all expecting all of this? Bam! 93. Bam! 90. Right? Weren't we all on the lookout for this break of? So you all have a sell, right? Right there. Stop sell 600 because you know that a clean break of 600. I told you price is gonna go to 93, which just got a 3-point bonus all the way to 90 and change. Look at that, right? Is this a nasty? Is the market in a nasty mood or what? All right, so all righty, so nice, right? Oh my God, Capi, unbelievable, man. Yeah, that's right. Where did he go? 90. Look at that, 90, right? Okay. Right? So, what do you think happened right now? Right? This is a nasty drop to take the strong bulls, right? Goldman knows that everybody knew the strength of 600. Look at if he's gonna break it, look at the way he had to break it from oh 07 all the way to 91. right? Look at that. 15 points in 15 microseconds. Look at it. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, okay. So, clean break of 600, right? Clean as a whistle. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new reading, of course. All right, and the new reading is going to give us a new market condition. And that market condition, ladies and gentlemen, happens to be a single dimension. Oh my God, yeah, that's right. That's tougher than out of balance, actually, sometimes. Okay. So, in other words, if you thought that before, up until now, the action has been extremely difficult to forecast, we'll multiply that now. All right, back to 600. Okay. All right, because now we are now we only have one dimension to measure. Right. So small odds. Remember, 600 is both a prosadico level and a conventional technical analysis level, right? Clean break, remember what I told you. Clean break of 600, the main play long to test '08 and 10, it's over, all right? Bears took control. 600 was support. What is 600 now? Resistance. Okay, where is the price going? Let me see. What are the odds that whatever I say next is going to happen? Extremely small. Why? Because the market is on a single dimension. When the market is on a single dimension, the odds that the forecast, the accuracy diminish. However, I'll know it. We just have to manage the play. That's all. Okay, this is as tough as it gets, my friends. You remember 600? All right. The same thing for here, 900. All right. So I'm gonna tell you, and this is gonna make you sick. Remember 600? Well, this um, this drop right here, right, 15 points, was nothing but a move to destroy the retail trader, and they all got destroyed. Believe you me. However, the strength of 600 as support, which was destroyed, is the same as this one right here. This swing low right here, 90. All right. So I am expecting again 90 not to be taken. All righty. The only way that 90 is going to be taken is with another nasty action like this. All right. So, long story short, okay. So, what does that mean, Capi? That that the overall market direction is bullish as long as the price doesn't take 90. Usually, right, when it takes like this, we change hat. Okay, so let's go ahead and sell. Now let's sell, right? Not. Okay. So I'm expecting the price to go back to 600 and take it. All right. So the main play, not ours, because that one, it's already invalidated, right? Because at the destroyment of 99, that invalidates our main play, the one when we went long 99. Remember at the open, that's it. That play is invalidated. However, the market doesn't care whether we were long, short, flat, what we did. It doesn't matter, right? All right. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if that's gonna happen. So in other words, that 15-point drop didn't change the overall market direction bullish. Oh my God, really? That's crazy, man. That's right. Because that break of 600, right? Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. We should be looking to short thinking that the price is not gonna take 600 again. Well, not according to my record. It is 90, not 600. That's the thing. That this forecast that I just gave you, because we are in a single dimension, then the degree of accuracy is pretty small. So what do we do then on a nasty action like this? Phase 7. What do you think? Remember what I said at 9 a.m. this morning? No, I don't want any heroes today. All right? Okay. I'm going to repeat that. So at 9 a.m. this morning when I told you I don't want any heroes today, right? I meant it. Okay. And then 90 minutes later, look at that. What time it is right now, 11 and change. Then we can see the nastiness. Look at this, 15 points in 15 microseconds, right? And breaking all supports and breaking all resistance. So you know that I meant it. Okay. All right, those of you who are awake and still here, right? Look at it. What did I tell you? We're not gonna sell 600. Why? Because the smart money is gonna take it. Look, look at the way it took it. Look at it. Boom. Right? There you go. So, okay. Alrighty then. Tell me. For Sadico. Right? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. I told you. Right? Look at this 600. Look at the way it took it down. Everybody is short 600 right now, except us. We are long. Why? Because we knew that this was a trap. It was a trick. It was a stop fishing. It was a nasty drop to destroy the retail trader. Those that have no clue as to what is going to happen in the future, like we did. Like I told you around here, right? 11:05, I told you we're not going to short 600. That's what everybody's going to do. Right? On the contrary, we're going to go long all of this because 600 is going to be taken at 603. Right? Didn't I tell you this 10 minutes ago? All right. So we're not going to change hats until I tell you to. Yes, the main play, the original long, it's being invalidated. So what? We're in a new one right now. This one right here. When we knew that 06 was going to be taken. Look at it. Bang, boom, bing, 604. Right? Look at it. Those of you with coconuts and took a shot, this is it. All right? Those of you who had coconuts and took a shot long 96, 98, right? When I told you, no, we're going to continue going long. And we're not going to short 600, which is what everybody's going to do. We're done. All right? So what we're going to do now? Well, we're going to trail. All right? Stop break even because we don't want another drop like this one. Another 15 point drop can come any second. Can we not? That's it. So we're not going to let that happen. Look at your P&L right now. Make sure you're still green. And make sure that if we have another nasty drop, you are going to be taken out and still be green for the day. That's it. Okay? Time right now. 11:17. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are tough traders and you're not gonna let the smart money take you out. Here's what's happening next. Remember 610? Take it out. And remember 13? Boom. Put it Put it 1 point more above 14. Repeat. Remember the 10? Take it out. We're not going to do anything at 10. Price is going to continue going to, and 14, by the way, it's not dynamic anymore. That is target 2. 14. All right, target 2 is 14. 10 gone. 13 gone. 14 is the next resistance. All right. So is it gonna be easy taking OA? I I I I I almost said I guarantee. I I I I'll tell you with all my conviction that no, it's not. The trip to 14, is that gonna be a nice, cozy, juicy ride? No, it's not. But the odds are that as long as the price is above 90, it will, right? 90 and then 96 and then this 99. Who cares about this 99 anymore, right? And 600, right? 600, 96, 90, 96, 600, right? So, what's the channel right now? 90.06, 16 points. 16 points leaping. 16-point leaping. And we believe that it is the bulls, the ones that are going to win the battle. All right? One straight line, NOT, not. Right? Shaking everybody off of the 600, right? But we know better. We know that that break of 600 to 98 is is just uh, it's just a squeeze, right? We know that. We know the future. We know the longer term play. Not only we know the longer term play, we know how it's gonna do it. So we're not gonna let the smart money shake us out of the long that we believe is the best play for the remainder of the day, right? And we also know that it's not gonna be easy taking all these resistances right here. That's not gonna be a walk in the park. But uh, that's the future. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we also the the recoil off of G 606. Remember our 606, right? That's how it's gonna be, right? So time right now almost 12 noon. So it's just a matter of time. Okay, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So look at this beautiful action right here. You know how many traders change hats to bear when the price uh, tumble? This 15 points. You know how many traders went short here? They got totally destroyed. Then they got out. They went long here, and then they got destroyed again. And then they went short here, and they got destroyed again. Their prop account, it's finished. Their evaluation, that's done. They have no idea. We, on the other hand, know exactly where the price is going, and we're gonna ride it all the way. So look at what number one, number two. Remember what I told you. You know, we have direction. We know where it's going. We know how it's gonna get there, and most importantly, we know it's not gonna be an easy walk. A walk in the park. We know it. Look at what just happened. Boom. Couldn't take the high, and he had to come back right down all the way to G04. What a coincidence, right? We know where the price is going.